Welcome to the channel and beautiful San Francisco. In this video, join Daryl for walk through the largest Chinatown outside the Orient. This is Daryl's first ever walk from North Beach along Grant Avenue to Union Square, the heart of San Francisco. Grant Avenue is one of the oldest streets in Chinatown and runs in a north to south direction. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.
Just dropped us off. And something I have never ever done is walked through Chinatown. We're going to do that now. Come on with me. So I'm really excited to walk down Chinatown and have a look at some of these fabulous shops. Well, these are rice cakes. Loving the music. Wow. Just look at the streets here. San Francisco's Chinatown is one of the largest communities of Chinese outside of Asia. Wow. Look at these. These shops are really cool. Some market. This really is the real Chinatown of San Francisco. We're going to walk all the way down Grant Avenue to Union Square, so that should be something really good. But these shops are just incredible. Wow. Love the look at all these steps and the fire escapes. Fabulous. Pretty much anything that you want to buy. Black pepper sauce. And we've got hats, scarves. Loving the buildings. Fabulous view of the Transamerica building there. Still early at the moment, but this place is going to get really busy. I like the number plates. So what are these priced at? 12, 13 bucks. I've got Hawaii, which is really good there.
A lot of the shops here know that out just on this spot. Still closed, probably.
Got all the Chinese lanterns. I've walked down New York City's Chinatown, which is stunning, but nothing compared to Chinatown here in Frisco. This is like a cocktail bar. The Citibank there. Wonderful. Drive down Grant Avenue, you don't actually see how fabulous the buildings are here. We're just passing Clay Street. Lovely painting there. We've got Waymo coming through. Waymos everywhere. Just check out the buildings, guys. Again, a lot of the shops are closed at the moment. Probably open about 11 AM. About another hour or so. Nice little gift shop in there. Just beautiful buildings. Look at the painting there. The murals. Is that Jackie Chan? Loving the sign there for the Bank of America. Okay, more murals on the wall. Well, this is Grant and Sacramento. Remember guys, it is Labor Day, Bank Holiday Monday, so that's probably why a lot of these stalls are closed so far. Glenn's enjoying his filming, walking up through Chinatown today. This is a pretty cool corner. This is California and Grant. So you've got the cable cars. They'll be going down here. Looks as though there's quite a big tour group as well there. Look at the buildings. Beautiful. And this is old St. Mary's Cathedral. And here we go. California Street. Right in the heart of Chinatown. And I'm loving St. Mary's Cathedral. And at the top of there is Nob Hill. Got some beautiful hotels right at the top there. Loving the murals. Over there is St. Mary's Square, a nice little park. Right, should get a really good shot here as we walk across California Street. I can hear the cable car lines. Yeah, I really like the Aloha one. Right then, I got myself an Hawaii number plate. There we go guys, Hawaii. Looking forward to taking you guys to Hawaii next year. Really like the 2026 calendars there. Beautiful shops. I'm loving it. I'm loving Chinatown. So glad they've got a Waymo up here and walk into Union Square. Very unique shop here. They're really cool. Quite like them. Get them across in the garden. The monkeys. And we're just coming to the Gateway Arch. There's more number plates here. Pretty much whatever you want. Fabulous souvenir shop there. All different kinds of number plates. Really cool. My goal is probably maybe to get all 50 number plates and put them in the back garden. What do you think about that? Fabulous shops. All the lions. Now, that is one cool water feature. Pretty awesome shop. Look at that. Wow. And some of these are not too bad, like 20 bucks. And here is the Gateway Arch to Chinatown. Yeah, I've driven through here many, many times, but never ever walked through. That's kind of cool. We've got a superb shot there of the Gateway Arch. And a fabulous blue sky. Now I do apologise, when I started the video this morning I said day 8, it's day 9. Getting confused myself. Arrived at Union Square, got Dior there, Cartier. We've got really, really expensive shops up here. Rolex we just passed, Breitling on the corner. And this is Stockton and Post Street. Apple Store right ahead. And that is a fabulous Apple Store. Look at that. Union Square, San Francisco. Been a while since we've been here. Must be 25 years plus. The store is impressive. Wow. Guys, show me the love for San Francisco. Give me a big thumbs up. Drop me some comments. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, wow. Union Square, a lot different than what I remembered it was before. So you've got all different games and everything there. Beautiful shops. San Francisco is just beautiful. Macy's right over there. Nice little restaurants, cafes. This is so cool. And right ahead is the St. Francis Drake Hotel. It's one of the best in San Francisco. War has commenced between the United States and Spain. Proceed at once to the Philippine Islands. Capture or destroy the Spanish fleet. 14th. This monument was dedicated by President Roosevelt. Now the hotel is St. Francis Drake. Look at that. Wow. On such a beautiful day for the 1st of September. Double delight. That looks pretty good to eat. Now this is Powell Street, and right at the bottom will be the cable car turnaround. And here's the first cable car. Look at that, guys, my favourite shop, Skechers. Wow, I didn't quite expect the queue for the cable cars to be this long in downtown. Plus you've also got to get what's called like a clipper card or something. Yeah, so the issue there is you may not be able to hang on the side as what you want to do. Yeah, it's a pretty long line, unfortunately, that one.